The question says a conical tent is to accommodate 77 persons and each person must have 16 cubic centimeter of air to breathe. Given the radius of tent is 7, we have to find the height and also the curved surface area. Now as you can see, the question has given us number of person in the tent. It's 77% can be accommodated and each person requires 16 cubic meter of air. So if we multiply these two, we can get the volume of the tent. So first of all, we will get volume of conical tent. So how will you get the volume of conical tent? Now you can see there are 77% in the tent and each is requiring 16 cubic meter of air. So 77 into 16 will give you volume of tent. Now as the tent is conical, so we can apply the formula for the volume. This is the formula for volume of a cone. Now substituting the values, pi 22 by 7. Radius of the tent is given as 7. So from here we can get height of the tent. So when you cross multiply it, you are getting 77 into 16 into 3 upon 22 into 7. So this will give you 7, will reduce it 11 times, 11 will reduce it 2 times, 2 will reduce it 8 times, so 8 3s are 24. So we have got height of the tent as 24 meters. So the first part says you have to calculate the height. Now you need to calculate the curved surface area. Now to calculate the curved surface area, we must know slant height. So how will you get the slant height of the tent? See, you must be knowing this relation. Square of slant height is equal to square of height plus square of the radius. So height is 24, radius is 7. So you will get L square as 576 plus 49. So L square is equal to 625. So from here you can get the slant height as 25 meter. So we have calculated the slant height. Now the question says you have to calculate the curved surface area. Formula for curved surface area, it is pi RL. So applying the formula pi RL, 22 by 7, radius is 7 and the slant height is 25. So you will get curved surface area as 25 to 50, 55. So 550 meter square. So this will be the curved surface area. This is clear to you now? Now in the question they have given the radii of the internal and the external surfaces of a metallic spherical shell are 3 and 5. So they have given us the external radius as 5 centimeter and the internal radius as 3 centimeter. Now these are the dimensions given for the spherical shell, and now it is melted and recast into a solid cylinder of height, and they've given you the height of the cylinder. Now they say find the diameter of the cylinder. Okay, so height of cylinder is given as 10 whole number 2 by 3, so you can say it's given 32 by 3 centimeter. This is for shell and this is for cylinder. Now as the shell is melted and then it is recast into a solid cylinder, so you can equate the volume of these two. So for this shell, formula will be 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube, and for cylinder it will be pi r square h. Before substituting the values, you can cancel out this. So this is 4 by 3. Now you need r cube. So here r cube will be 5 cube minus 3 cubes, and on the right side its radius you have to find out, and height is given 32 upon 3. First of all, we can cancel out these two. Now do the cross multiplication. On the left side this will be 4 into, within the bracket you have 125 minus 27, and then you cross multiply with 32 here, is equal to r square. So as we simplify it, it's 4 into 98 upon 32. So 4 will reduce it 8 times, 2 reduce it is 49 times here. So this is value for r square. So you are getting r square is equal to 49 upon 4. So radius is 7 upon 2. Now this we have got the radius, but the question says we have to find the diameter of the cylinder. So to get the diameter, so diameter of cylinder, that will be twice of the radius, so twice of 7 by 2, so it will be 7 centimeter. This is clear to you? Now the question says an exhibition tent is in form of a cylinder surmounted by a cone. So if we draw a rough sketch of it, it will be like this. So it will be like this. We have exhibition tent in shape of a cylinder, and it is surmounted by a cone like this. Now here, whenever you get a surmounted figure, remember radius will be same for both. So whatever will be the radius of cylinder, same will be the radius of conical portion also. Okay, now what else given? The height of the tent above the ground. The total height, now this is the ground level and this is the height of the tent. So this total height is given as 54 meter. Now as you can see, this height includes height of cylindrical portion plus the height of conical portion, and the height of the cylindrical portion is 30. They have given you height of the cylindrical portion, this is 30. So as the question says the total height is 54, out of 54 the cylindrical portion height is 30, so you can say that the conical portion height is, from 54 you subtract 30, so that will be 24. Okay, what else is given? The area of the base floor. Now as you can see, this base floor, this is the base floor which is circular in shape. So they have given you area of this circular portion, 154. Now area of the base which is circular is given to you. So if you apply the formula for the base which is circular, it is pi r square, circle. So from here you can get the radius of the cylindrical portion. So let's see what will be the radius. So this will be give you 22 will go to 7 times. So you are getting r square is equal to 49. So radius is equal to 7. So you have got a radius of cylindrical portion. Now remember, whatever will be the radius of the cylindrical portion, same will be the radius of conical portion also, because it's a surmounted figure. So same will be the radius of conical portion also. Okay, Now what else we can get from here? Now if you consider the this conical portion, height is known to you, radius is known to you, so you can get the slant height. So let's get the slant height. So we have the formula. So from here we can get the slant height. Now we need the height of the conical portion, which is 24, and you need the radius of conical portion, that is 7. So this will give you slant height. So you are getting it at 625. So slant height is 25 meter. So you can see we have got all the dimensions. We have got height of cylindrical portion, we have got radius of cylindrical portion, then we have got height of conical portion, radius of conical portion, as well as the slant height of the conical portion. Now the first part says you have to calculate the quantity of canvas required to make the tent. Now the tent will be required, the canvas will be required only on the curved surface area. So canvas required will be equal to the curved surface area of conical portion and the curved surface area of the cylindrical portion. So let's apply the formula. The first part, you need canvas required. So canvas required will be equal to curved surface area of conical portion plus curved surface area of cylindrical portion. Okay, so curved surface area of conical portion, we have the formula pi RL, and the curved surface area of cylindrical portion, we have formula 2 pi RH. As radius is same, so you can take pi r common. So we have this. So pi is 22 by 7, radius is 7, slant height is 25, and the height of the cylindrical portion is 30. So when you simplify this, you will be getting 22 into, this will become 60 plus 25. So 60 plus 25 will give you, so when you simplify this, you will get the canvas required. So 22 multiplied by 85 will give us 1870 meters square. So that's the area of the canvas required. Now what is to be done here? Now the question says you also have to calculate the cost of canvas if its rate is rupees 80 per meter and the width of the canvas is given 5 meter. Now when we will purchase the canvas, then the canvas we will get in shape of a rectangle. So area of canvas, it is known to you now, 1870. Area of canvas, canvas will be available to us in shape of a rectangle, so length into breadth. Now in the question, breadth, that is the width, you can see width is given 5 meter. So width of the canvas is given 5 meter. So from here you can get the length of the canvas. So 1870 divided by 5 will give you 374 meter. That is the length of the canvas. Now they have asked you to calculate the cost of the canvas and the rate is rupees 80 per meter. So after getting the length, now you can get the cost of canvas. So cost will be equal to rate into length. So here rate is 80 and the length you have got 374. So this will give you rupees 29920. So this will be the cost of canvas. Hope this is clear to you now.